When you search for radar detectors under $100, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, INCU Radar Detector. The INCU radar detector caught my eye because of its impressive 360 degrees full band detection and a price tag of just $25.27. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly option without all the bells and whistles, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it includes false alarm prevention technology, which is a must if you're tired of being distracted by unnecessary alerts. With voice prompts and a bright LED display, you can stay focused on your driving while still being alerted to potential speed traps. And installation, it's plug and play with a 12V power cable, so you'll be set up in minutes. Now, some people complained about the lack of a warranty, which might be a deal breaker if you're concerned about long-term reliability. Here's the thing though, for the price, it provides solid protection for casual drivers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level radar detector that's easy to use and won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need advanced features or extensive range. At this price point, it's a great value for everyday driving. Now, if the INCU's lack of a warranty bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a bit more reliability. Product number 2, Yinzunel Radar Detector. Next up is the Yinzunel Radar Detector, priced at $46.76. This caught my attention because of its long-range detection capabilities and real-time voice alerts. If you want something that keeps you informed without constant interruptions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features city and highway modes, allowing you to switch based on where you're driving. This reduces false alerts, especially in urban areas where radar signals can get chaotic. The advanced false alarm filtering means that you'll only get relevant alerts when it matters most. Plus, it remembers your settings even when powered off, which is super convenient. Now, some users mentioned that the alerts can be a bit overwhelming at first. And while I get that, here's the thing, you can adjust the volume and modes to suit your preferences. It might take a little tweaking, but it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you drive in both city and highway conditions and want flexibility in your alerts. Skip it if you prefer something straightforward without bells and whistles. For under $50, it offers excellent value and peace of mind. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced filtering. Product number 3, Whistler CR73. The Whistler CR73 is next on the list, sitting at $116.20. While it's slightly above our budget, I had to mention it because of its outstanding features. If you want a high-performance radar detector with advanced capabilities, this is worth a serious look. This product is impressive with its 360-degree protection and bilingual voice alerts. With features like field disturbance sensor rejection, it minimizes false alerts caused by other technologies on the road, making it a reliable companion for long drives. The digital signal strength indicator gives you clear information about the intensity of the signals, so you know exactly what's coming. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky, which could be a hassle in tighter spaces. But honestly, the features make it worth the extra size. This is perfect for you if you want high-end features in a radar detector and don't mind spending a bit more for quality. Skip it if you're strictly sticking to the $100 budget. But for those who can stretch their dollar, this radar detector offers solid peace of mind. Now, if the size of the Whistler CR73 didn't sit well with you, the next product has a more compact design. Product number 4, KARADAR S360. Next up is the KARADAR S360, priced at $96.08. This radar detector is designed for those who want something compact yet powerful. If you want reliable performance without the bulk, this is worth a serious look. What's cool about the S360 is its laser eye technology, which provides 360 degrees detection. It also supports multiple frequency bands while intelligently filtering out false alerts. This is great if you're tired of being bothered by irrelevant warnings. The quick installation with suction cups means you can be up and running in no time. Some users have pointed out the sensitivity as a downside, as it can pick up signals from far away. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who drives a lot, that might actually be a benefit for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable radar detector that won't take up much space and provides solid alerts. Skip this one if you need something that only focuses on major highways. For just under $100, it gives you a great balance of performance and portability. Now, if the sensitivity of the S360 raised any concerns, the final product on our list offers a more straightforward approach. Product number 5, BLS-LEIDA Radar Detector. Wrapping up our list is the BLS-LEIDA Radar Detector, also priced at $96.08. What caught my attention here is its emphasis on minimizing false alerts while still delivering reliable warnings. If you want a no-frills experience that focuses on performance, this is worth a serious look. It doesn't rely on GPS updates, which means you won't be bothered by alerts from fixed cameras. The intelligent dual-mode operation allows you to switch between city and highway modes, making it adaptable to your driving conditions. With laser eye technology, it ensures complete 360 degrees protection from both front and rear threats. However, some users mention that it can be a bit challenging to set up initially. Honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want a radar detector that's focused on what matters most, keeping you safe on the road. Skip this one if you prefer a device with more advanced features. It's a solid pick for anyone looking for straightforward functionality without the fuss. So there you have it. We covered the INCU for budget-conscious drivers, the Yinzunel with its flexibility, the Whistler CR73 for advanced features, the compact KARADAR S360, and finally the BLS-LEIDA focused on pure performance. Each has its strengths and potential drawbacks, but they all offer something valuable under $100. Choose the one that fits your needs best.